Now it's literally only been, oh, I don't know, 5 minutes? And it's already hardening up. I'm just trying to take my putty knife underneath it. Oh, it's hard down. It's hard underneath there already. Good grief. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and I'm going to take my hammer out. Let's see if it clumps out or not. I don't think it will. I had the WD-40 on there. See there? Look at that. I probably didn't have to try to dig it out or anything. It's probably doing more damage to it than not. Wow, that worked out really good. Now let's see what to do with it. I need to get it pushed down. Like I say, just a scotch. Oh, in fact, I probably should take this tape off so I can see where the actual patch is, huh? Okay, so I'm going to take the tape off. Try to get some of this off of here. Work around the edge first. It's perfect to work on right now. I can just shave this down like Play-Doh. Rock hard, Durham's rock hard water putty. I don't know why they call it water putty. I guess just because you mix it up with water. See, just that little extra bit I added filled in rather nicely, didn't it? Now I'm getting it just below 1/16 or so. That's the good thing about this stuff. It doesn't take long to dry. It's not like you gotta wait all day long or 3 hours before it's hard enough to do something with. It was literally 5 minutes. Right there. Maybe 7 or 8. It wasn't anywhere close to 10 minutes or longer. Now we're talking, Jackson. Now we're talking. What do you think? So far, so good. I mean, I could have made that. I could have made it flush and just painted over it. It's way down low. Nobody's ever gonna see it. Really, I'll see it. But that's why I'm trying to do a good job on it. Plus, I'm curious how well the sand's gonna mix in with it and how well it's gonna look as a patch. I can take my screwdriver in there. You know, do you want to spend some extra time on your patch? Or do you want to make it, that's good enough and have it a big old ugly patch? You decide. As for me, I want to try to do it the best I can. Plus, this gives me a chance to see if it works and to show you whether or not you want to do something like this for your patch or for whatever you're using it for. Okay. I had it the block in there at a slight angle, so I'm just trying to shave off the back a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. I didn't know how well that was going to stick. It stuck really good. Now, I brought, oh, okay, here it is. I brought a wire brush out here. Let's just see. Okay. Not bad for the first coat, huh? Not bad at all. Do you think that patch would turn out that nice? Look at that. All that stuff I shaved off it. It was almost like Play-Doh. Just scrape it off. See? And if you wait too long, it's gonna harden up. See, if I would have waited 15 more minutes or so, there's no way I could have contoured that as easily. Okay, it would have been all over the place. A little bit of packing, shipping tape, and my rock hard water putty. Now in my next little coat, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the tape around there, but then this time I'm going to put sand in it, and I'm going to mix it up, and there's going to be lots of sand in it. You look really close. You can't really see the sand, but there's no way to make it actually flat. Okay. So that'll be next time. Durham's Rock Hard Water Putty. You gotta get some of that. Hey, you know what else I like about this? When you get all done with it, you can save this canister. It's a pretty nice canister. You can put it in the garage and put doodads and knickknacks in it and all kinds of junk. Alright, back to work I go. See how nice that turned out? Look at that. I got it just a hair low, ready for the next go around. And if you think I got lucky, I'll show you one more time how to patch something like that. Okay?